Hi guys, in this video tutorial we are going to download Icecream recorder and install. How to you can download Icecream recorder, how to go to the getintopc.com and type Icecream recorder. Yes, here is Icecream recorder pro free download, and if you go to the Icecream recorder page and scroll down, and download the full setup. Before you download, you need to watch software installation guide. You must watch this installation guideline, and now I am going to download this. If you look at this video, you can download it from, and make sure you have disabled Windows Defender, and also you have to disable your network connection. And this is the right way you can download, you can install. Once you have downloaded, and extract this zip and go to the setup, and here you need to make sure you have disabled this network connection. And copy this patch and go to the Icecream recorder or file location, again file location, and here you need to run as administrator and then patch. Oh god, successfully we have patched. Here you go. So this is installation guide. You can watch it from this link. I have pasted this link. I have given this link into the description of this video. You can download the setup and install and watch this software installation and install on your computer, because I have Icecream recorder. I have installed successfully. It's working 100%. It's also free, a pro version. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. See you in next video.